Welcome to Spatial Data Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to digitize satellite images or scanned images using QGIS. First, I'll introduce you to digitizing. I'll show you how to create shapefile layers, how to edit them, how to complete the process of digitizing, how to populate your attributes table, and the final step, which is the creation of your layouts using different attributes and features. I'll show it. I'll drop a link in the description to my next video. So first, digitizing. Digitizing has to do with converting geographic data in raster formats, which can be your scanned map or satellite image, into an editable vector file using lines, points, and polygons. It's always needed when you have to show particular features in the map, or you have to integrate the features on a map with the features on some other map, some other GIS attributes. I gave a few examples here where you can use points to represent a tree, an electric pole, a car park, buildings, cities, depending on the scale of your map and the features you are trying to present on your map. You can use lines for roads, water bodies, pipelines, and other network designs. You can use polygons for fields, buildings, maps, etc. So let's get right to it. First of all, before doing this, you must have completely georeferenced your map. If you don't know how to do it, check the description. I'll drop a link to one of my videos on how to complete georeferencing on QGIS. As you can see, mine is fully georeferenced. To save time, I've already added some layers on the map, but I've left out the road network. I've also left out the stands, which I'll show you how to add up. So you click on layer, create layer, new shapefile layer. Here is where you add it up. I have a folder where I save my QGIS files and a folder where I want to save this digitizing project. You can see the other layers which I've created here before. Let's call this one stands where the spectators stay. That will be a polygon feature. You can use this to add up any other features on your attributes table. Let's say you want to create a database of the stands that are in the stadium by capacity. So you can add the capacity if you have the data, or if you want to add up the data, add it up here. Capacity, this is going to be whole number, and you click on OK. Then we'll also add up roads. Go back to layer, create layer, new shapefile layer. I'll just use this one. I added up a road network feature before, but I deleted it. So I'll use this save. It's going to be line. So if you want extra data on maybe the length of the roads, the type of roads, all of that can be added here on your new field and attributes table. And you click on OK. Do you want to overwrite existing file? Yes, I want to. This is road network. Alright, so here we are. We will just work on the road networks, then we'll edit the fields. So you'll see road network. To edit it, you click on toggle editing and then add line feature. So here we are. Digitizing is mostly about tracing. First of all, it's mostly about identifying your features, which is why I like to do this. So, okay, let me just take you through this. You left click, and on the last point, you right click and click on OK. I like to turn this on, the snapping tool. It helps you can see these pink dots. It helps you snap up on nodes. Escape that. If I turn off snapping tool, you see that I have to try to be as precise as possible, and I might fail my topological rules. So I click on this, at a junction, I click on this, another junction, I click on this, and then this, I right click and dot. Click on this, I look for my point, click, I look for my point, click, I right click and dot, you click, you click. I guess you're done with the roads here. So we go to the stands. It's a polygon feature. The same thing, toggle editing, and then add polygon feature. You zoom in nicely. The neatness of your data, the precision of your data depends on how willing you are to zoom in order to get the exact edges of the feature. Here, if you want to use these points like this, you can come here to edit the colors. You can edit the color to your color of choice, and then you can edit the symbol too. You can choose where it chooses symbols from. All symbols here. You can select other folders, colorful, depending on what you want, and summaries, summa travel vectors. I downloaded these symbols. In one of my videos, I'll show you how to download extra symbols on QGIS. So let's just choose one of the trees here to represent our trees. You can also edit the color of your trees. You can edit each color. You can let's use green. You can edit the color of your features from here. Just simply click on it and change the color. Let's use blue for swimming pool. You can use green for the field if that's what you want. Simple. You can use red for each stand. When you are done, you click on layouts, new shapefile layouts, new print layouts. You enter a name and then you customize your map. I'll drop a link in this video on how to produce a professional print layout. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't fail to drop a like, subscribe to my channel because I'll be dropping a lot of contents in the coming days and weeks. If you also have any questions, if I missed something or you noticed something that isn't working on your own version of QGIS at the time of viewing this video, don't fail to drop a comment and I'll get to it immediately I find it. Thank you.